All right, hello. This is Papa J Learns Excel, and today I'm going to teach you the formulas. Okay, so let's go to formula and pin the ribbon, right? And you can see that there's a formula. Tab, you can see the formula tab over here, and this is Autosum. Under Autosum, we have sum, average, count numbers, max, and minimum. Okay, so today we shall learn sum, average, max, and minimum. All right. So, okay, let's prepare the table to illustrate all this. So under the column month, we have January, February, and if you want to continue typing March, April, that's fine. But what you can do is you can just highlight all this and drag, and then you have all the months over here. And as for expenses, let's key in 1000 for January, and let's assume that for February it's 100 more. And if you want to continue typing the formula, it's fine, but I would prefer to just drag this formula down so that the values are auto populated. Okay, right now you have all the expenses over here, and let's sum all this up. Okay, how do you sum? Okay, you can just type total over here. You can just type SUN and start from January all the way till December. All right, I'm using some shortcuts over here, right? But you can use a mouse. Yes, and you have the sum over here. That's the total, and you have the average. Okay, just type equals to average, and average from January to December, right? And this is the average 1550, right? And you have the max. Okay, let's type max equals to MAX from January to December, right? Oh, sorry. Yep. So the max is 2001, right? In December. And the minimum is 1000. Okay. All right. Okay, let's separate the months and the total average over here. So we have all these formulas over here that have to calculate total, average, max, and minimum. So this is by typing. If you don't want to type, right? Okay, you can use the formulas over here. It's also the same. So let's delete all this to show you. Okay, so why not we create a new sheet? Let's create a new sheet over here. Create a copy. All right, and then we delete this. Okay, so for total, you can just use the auto sum button over here. Just click sum, right? And then you have all the sum. And although the formula, right, helps you to populate from B2 all the way to B14, you will still have the correct answer, but it's better to just sum from B2 to B13, all right? And then we have the average. So you just go to auto sum again and click on average. Okay, now this is not the correct formula for average. You have to select the correct cells. So let's go to January all the way until December, right? And max, as for max, just click on max. All right, this is also not the correct formula. So let's go to January. Yep. And minimum, let's do the same. Start from January to December. All right, there you have it. Okay, so the last one that I didn't introduce to you is count numbers. Count numbers means you just count the number of cells that contain numbers. Okay, so let's start over here. Count numbers. Okay, let's make this a little bit nicer. So how do you count numbers? Same, you just go to formula, Autosum, count numbers, right? So you just count. You count from January to December, and you should have 12 months, right? Yeah. So we have all the formulas here, right? That's it for this video. I hope you have learned a little bit of formulas regarding total, average, maximum, minimum, and count numbers. All right. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.